Hello everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I am Wang. Me, you, he, she. Code, name, these 6 Chinese characters are essential in daily communication. In today's lesson, you will master them with Chinese radicals and fun memory tricks. Learning Chinese can be challenging, especially with its unique writing system. I understand the struggle when I first started learning English at school, even failed an exam. So using the right techniques is important to speed up your progress. With these strategies, you will not only remember characters faster, but also build a strong foundation for learning more and maybe even impress your Chinese friends. Now let's begin. Do you remember how to ask people's name directly? If not, you can watch the one that pops up at the end of this video for practicing the conversation. You can ask, 你叫什么名字? 你 has been introduced in 你好. It's formed by 2 parts. In 你, on the left, we have the person radical. That makes sense because we are talking about a person. On the right is a character that means you in ancient Chinese. A person plus you from ancient times becomes you today. 叫, it means to be called, to call. It contains 2 parts, a mouth radical and a twist radical. Although the right part means twist or tangle, it looks like a megaphone. So 叫 is using the mouth and the megaphone to call out someone's name loudly. 什么 means what. 什 is formed by a person radical and a ten radical. It means all sorts of. Imagine a person standing in front of 10 choices. She or he is confused and think, so many choices, what should I pick? 名字, it means name. However, 名 itself means name literally. It consists of 西 evening plus mouth radical 口. In ancient times, it's dark in the evening, so people walking in the dark need to say their own name aloud with their own mouth to let others know they are here. 字 means words or characters. It consists of the roof radical and the child radical. Imagine a child under a roof is practicing writing the characters for his name under a roof. When you need to introduce your name, you start with 我叫. 我 means I or me. It's made up of 2 parts, hand radical and spear radical. Imagine saying, I defend myself with my hand and spear. My hand grips the spear tightly, ready to protect myself. As you need to hold on tight to the spear, so the long horizontal line also needs to hold the 2 parts together. Don't forget the dot above the hand. That is the head. When you want to introduce other people, you need to use different pronouns, which are the male ta and the female ta. The male ta contains a person radical plus also radical. It means he or him. The female ta contains woman radical and also radical. It means she or her. These side parts help us recognize genders. Did you notice that they share the same part? Yeah, which means also, because he is called ta and she is also called ta. You can also see a person radical in male ta. We have already learned personal radical. Now you need to remember the female radical. The character 女 looks like a woman kneeling with her arms crossed. The top line is her head and shoulders. The middle part resembles her arms placed gracefully on her thigh. The bottom line is her legs tucked underneath her. Now let's do some practice. Number 1, please pick 2 parts to form 你, which means you. Let's look at the answer. Now please pick 2 parts to form he, 他. Now let's look at the answer. Now please pick two parts to form she, 她. Let's look at the answer. Now please pick two parts to form name, 名. Let's look at the answer. The final one, please pick two parts to form characters, 字. Now let's look at the answer. Did you get them all right? Which character in today's lesson seems the most difficult to remember? Write down the English meaning in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a like so more people can see it. See you next time. 再见。